coastal risk isn't why people regret buying in Port Aransas. It is unpriced coastal risk. Here's how buyers stay ahead of it, including a move most agents never even heard of. And remember, the 3 policy stack on the option clock. Coastal Texas isn't just one insurance policy, it's 3. You got your homeowners, flood, and windstorm, all separate, and together they can rival a mainland escrow payment. And the rule is, quote, everyone can get it in your hand during your option period, never after. Run the insurance risk on the same clock as the inspections. And there are 2 documents that shape everything. The elevation cert, how the structure sits versus the base flood elevation, higher is cheaper of course, and the windstorm certification, the WPI 8 for the house and any add-ons. Uncertified improvements complicate windstorm coverage. In my experience, that's one of the most common paperwork surprises island buyers get hit with. Ask for both on any serious property offer. And here's the insider move, the one that almost nobody knows about. Ask whether the seller's flood policy is assumable. An existing policy that transfers to you can be faster and cheaper than starting fresh. The gotcha here, though, is if you're financing, your lender has to approve it, so raise it early. And most buyers, and honestly plenty of agents, have never even heard of this one. Now you have. And my highest recommendation is to use a local insurance agent. I mean, your person back home can technically write coastal coverage, but the coast is a local's game. In my experience, a coastal specialist is the safer starting point. The difference shows up exactly when you need it to. And the full question list, flood, wind, the condo fine print, carrying costs, and who answers what is in my free risk and insurance checklist. The link's in the bio. Check it out. No fluff in here.